Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make MOGGED edits on CapCut that stand out and look clean. So whether you are a beginner or just looking for new editing tricks, this guide will help you level up your video game fast. So let's just get started. First, you can just add the clips that
Don't
you
even
want
consider
to
it
edit.
anymore.
So
This
I'm just
product has
adding
completely
two
changed my life.
clips, and now you can just freeze your first clip where you want mode to be. So I'm going to just freeze, click on the clip and tap on the freeze options, this one. Okay, so here is the freeze frame, and under the freeze frame you can just click on overlay and add a black image overlay. So go to the CapCut library, and here click on the background option and find this black color image, this one. Click on add and make it fit with the freeze frame, the duration. Now click on mask and then select the rectangle options, and then you can just make it fit to around the eye area, like this, for example. Click on the check icon and now go to tags and write MOGGED in capital, like this, and select the phone that you liked. So I'm going to go with this one in here. Click on a check icon. Now put it on top of the black overlay, like this. Then click on a text animations and add the fade in animations to the text, this one. Set it to around 0.5 seconds. So it will go
This
like
product
this. And now freeze the second clip where you want. So I'm going to freeze in here. For example, find the freeze options and click on the freeze frame and make it as overlay. So put it at the bottom. Then put it under the black overlay, like this. So set it to around 0.9 seconds for the freeze frame. Put it under the black overlay, like this, and click on the freeze frame. Go to the remove background options, this one, and here remove the background. Click on a check icon and now add two keyframes, one at the start and one at the end. Now on the first keyframe, just move the overlay down, just like this, and click on the graph options and choose the ease out animation. Click on ease out graphs. Click on the second clip, animations, and you can just choose the one that you like. I'm going to just use this rock vertically
product
animation. Click on the check icon, and that's it. So if you have more clip, you can just repeat the steps And this will be
Don't
the
even
final
consider it
result.
anymore. Product
So
has
guys,
completely
that's all from me. Thank you
don't
so
even
much for
consider it
watching. Don't
anymore.
forget to like, comment, and
Product
subscribe.
has
We'll see you
completely
click on the
changed
thanks.
my life.
Bye.